Why do I need to enter a password for the default keyring to unlock? When I log into Ubuntu, I am prompted every time to. I want to avoid this step since I am the only person using this machine and I see no reason to have any password protection. Is there an easy way to turn this off so I can turn the computer on and get to the desktop without having to enter any passwords, just as I do on my Windows machine?
This can happen if your machine is configured to auto-login. You can work your way around this by setting a blank password for the Keyring Manager. Follow this guide to do this. This allows anyone using the computer to access your passwords. There are a few other cases where you get asked for the Keyring password, which I'm not very clear about. However, this prompt is not raised for most configurations.
Here's an easier, more secure way. 1. Right-click your wireless network manager icon in the tray and click Edit Connections. 2. Click the Wireless tab, highlight your wireless connection, then click Edit. 3. At the bottom there is a checkbox called Available to all users. Click it, then click Apply to save your change. It will ask for your password because it is a system-wide change, but that's it. You, or anyone else you make an account for, can now log on and get the wireless connection without anyone having access to your unencrypted passwords.
This is slightly different in Ubuntu 11.10. I opened up Seahorse and deleted the passwords default folder under the Passwords tab. Once I did this, I saw no way to create a new passwords default folder. So I went back to an application that wanted to store its password in my keyring. I used Empathy for this. While re-logging into one of my accounts, I was prompted with a dialog box that asked to enter my password for my chat account. I typed it in and hit Remember Password checkbox. I was then prompted by a second dialog, New Keyring Password. Here's where it was saying that an application wants to create a new keyring called Default. Choose the password you want to use for it. I left this password box blank and just clicked OK. Finally, I was presented with a third dialog box asking me if I wanted to store passwords unencrypted. Here I selected Use Unsafe Storage.
These didn't work for me but found this, comment 11, that does. This URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.